Welcome back, everybody. Today I have to do something I've been trying to push off for a while, but I cannot wait any more longer. Why don't you come see what I have to do? Comfortable outside, but it's still pretty hot. So I went ahead and gave them a watermelon to cool down, and they're all munching away from it. So I went ahead and took the fire ring out of the chicken run, and I've been planning on making a new one. So the chicken ring, the fire ring pit, I'm going to move into my garden. And I have some tomatoes that I have planted in my box that I should not have because they're kind of too crowded in there now, and I have way too many tomato plants in that box. So what I'm going to do today is take some of those Cherokee tomato plant, the purple Cherokee tomatoes out of there, and I'm planning on putting them in the fire pit ring that I just put out the chicken run, and we'll fill it up with the dirt and everything. And I'm going to, hi Gizmo, and I'm going to, put my tomato plants in there. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I got my planter ready, and to put my other tomato plants into the fire pit ring there. And like I said, I didn't really want to do it. I was going to leave them in there, but it's really hard for me to prune those tomatoes and even get to tomatoes, that I just kind of overdid it just a little bit on getting tomato plants and put it in that small space. So I'm paying for it now, and I'm going to have to dig out the tomatoes. I'm going to replant from there to the ring and to the new raised bed, and hopefully they will adjust really soon, really good for it, because it is pretty hot out here, and I'll make sure I water it afterwards. But it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'm hoping that if I get them in tonight and water it right now, it will be okay. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to go get my tomato plants out of my box and replant them. So like you can see right here, they're a little bit overcrowded, so the sun can really not get to it very well. So I'm planning on taking some of these out, and hopefully they will be okay when I replant them. So cross my fingers and we'll see. So some of these haven't grown very much because they did not get a lot of sunlight. So hopefully this will help grow my tomatoes. I mean, for them to grow better this time. I hope I did the right thing on replanting those. I know the big box that I got over there is going to be not as crowded right now. So, I mean, I know I kind of got carried away just a little bit about getting my tomatoes. But I love tomatoes, so I want to can and I want to make salsa out of them. And, you know, it's just, I'm so excited about it. So, yeah, my inner child got the best out of me again. But I'm gonna water it right now, and hopefully this will be okay. And it's supposed to be raining tomorrow, so let's hope it works. This water is hot, 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 hot. I'm trying to get the hot water out of it a little bit first. It's been laying out here in the sun, so yeah, I should not have it laying in the sun, but I did. Still pretty hot. Whew. There you go. And I'm going to get this one right here. I'm going to get some twine or something to tie that tomato plant up because I don't have another ring. So give it a good drink. So I couldn't find my string, so I got zip ties. That should work, right? It is. You like it? Well, eat some more. Nice, cool watermelon. Yeah. And this watermelon is delicious. You only got half of it. I got the other half inside the house. Let's share. Yum, yum. Good stuff, ain't it? So next is for me to prune my tomatoes, and that will be another video. And you know, I'll see how things go with this one that I replanted. Hopefully, you know, I cross my fingers that it will work and they're going to make it through because they're already producing some tomatoes, so I really don't want to lose those. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this video and see you hopefully next video. See y'all later. Bye.